Most explosions hit you once. This one doesn't. It hits, and then keeps going. Thermobaric weapons don't just rely on impact, they use the air around you as part of the weapon itself, which changes everything. Instead of detonating a single explosive charge, a thermobaric system releases a cloud of fuel into the air. That cloud spreads out, filling space, reaching into openings, wrapping around structures. Then it ignites, and when it does, the explosion isn't just a flash. It becomes a pressure wave that moves through the environment differently than traditional blasts. Because now, it's not just the explosive reacting, it's the surrounding air. The oxygen in the atmosphere becomes part of the reaction, which means the explosion can last longer, expand further, and behave in ways that standard explosives don't. In enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces, that effect intensifies. The pressure wave reflects off walls, builds, stacks, and instead of dissipating quickly, it continues to move through the space. Now think about that in a confined area. Rooms, tunnels, structures, places where pressure has nowhere to go. That's where this type of weapon becomes especially effective. But the part that makes it different isn't just the initial blast. It's what happens immediately after. Because when that oxygen is consumed in the reaction, the environment changes fast. Air pressure drops. And the space you're in isn't the same anymore. Now combine that with heat. The ignition produces extremely high temperatures, adding another layer to the effect. So instead of a single event, you get a sequence: expansion, pressure, heat, and then sudden change in the air itself. This isn't about fragmentation. It's not about shrapnel. It's about how the environment reacts, which makes it unpredictable, especially in complex environments. Now zoom out. Traditional explosives are designed around a contained reaction. Thermobaric systems extend that reaction into the surrounding space. They use what's already there: air, oxygen, structure. Everything becomes part of the event. And because of that, the outcome isn't just determined by the device itself, it's influenced by where it's used. Open space behaves one way, enclosed space behaves another. And that variability makes it both powerful and difficult to fully control. This isn't just a bigger explosion, it's a different kind of interaction, where the environment isn't just affected, it's involved.